Hello friends. So today I'm going to give you one update. So one update is that is Institute of Infrastructure Technology Research and Management, that is it is also known as IIT RAM. Okay, so this is an institute, I will say, famous for civil engineering, and its PhD forms are out. Its PhD forms are out, and its last date for application submission is 11th June. Okay, so you can submit the application by 11th June, that is by 5 p.m. Okay, so when you will go to the website, so there on this, there will be on PhD. When you click in the admissions, when you click on the PhD, so this page will appear, and from here you can apply online. Here you can apply online, and brochure is here, advertisement for PhD and admission policy and procedure is available in this page, on this page. Now, so this is the advertisement. So 11th June, as I have already discussed, is the last date, and applications are invited for, that is, I will say, regular part-time PhD programs. For regular and part-time PhD programs from eligible candidates in civil engineering, electrical, computer science and mechanical and aerospace, humanities, social science, then basic sciences. So now the PhD program is open for all these streams. So if you have done civil engineering, electrical, computer science, mechanical, aerospace, humanities, social science, then you are eligible for this. Now, because this is these applications are invited for PhD programs. So if you have done your MTech, then only you are eligible. Direct PhD is not available, students. Yes. So this is the PhD admission link. From here you can apply online, and this is the brochure link. So I will provide you these two links in the description of this video also. Okay. So what are the various admission categories? That is, one is a regular PhD program, and second is self-financed candidates. Third one is fellowship awardee. Okay, if you have cleared some, I will say, if you have cleared some test, let's say GATE or other test you have cleared, NET, okay, then you will be provided with fellowship or scholarship. Okay, so self-finance candidates can also apply. Okay, those who have not cleared any of the exam and they are not eligible for fellowship, so they can also enroll in this program. So they will not get any scholarship from institute side. Okay, so this is for part-time PhD program, and no NOC is required from your employer. Minimum eligibility criteria for regular and part-time PhD program. So for engineering and technology, you need to have, that is, ME or MTech degree with first class or 60% marks. First class or 60% marks for 60% marks for general EWS OBC and 55% for SC/ST. Similarly, for bachelors also 60% general EWS OBC and 55% for SC/ST. So same is given for basic sciences and humanities and social sciences. So you can read this eligibility criteria. Now, this is again eligibility criteria for general category candidates. Okay. So, and CGPA is given as, that is, I will say, 6. So CGPA should be 6 out of 10. And on the scale of 8, it should be 4.8. So similarly, you can convert. Now, what are the desirable, I will say, credentials, additional credentials, that is valid GATE or SEED score. Now, if you have done ME, MTech, plus you are having valid GATE score, so that is, I will say, desirable. So that is useful. So that will be useful. Valid GATE score, or I will say UGC NET, okay, or any Inspire, DST Inspire fellowship, or minimum 2 years of professional experience qualifying obtained after qualifying postgraduate degree. So these are the desirable, I will say, credentials. Now, next one is, what is admission procedure? Firstly, you have to fill the form, application form, online through this link. Okay, last date to form fill is 11th June, and selection will be based on the performance in online interview. सो ऑनलाइन इंटरव्यू के थ्रू आपका सिलेक्शन होगा इसमें. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, एंड the departmental research committee will shortlist the candidates for interview. So how they will shortlist? Of course, they will shortlist on the basis of your marks in MTech. Okay, minimum 60% I will say, or if you are having that is a desirable qualification, if you are having any experience, any fellowship, if you are having valid gate score, so that will be helpful to shortlist the number of candidates. Okay, then you will be called for document verification. So this is there, I will say, process. So important dates, I will say that is 11th June is the important date. And last date for submission of scanned application form with all necessary enclosure is 11th June only. Is 11th June only. And shortlisted candidates for interview announcement will be done on 16th June by 5 hours. So students, this I will say this institute is a very good institute. Okay, and for civil engineers, electrical engineers, mechanical engineers, so this institute is a I will say is a reputed institute, and their placements are also good. So many of the I will say MNCs and other institutes also visit this institute and provide placement. Okay, so these are some of the companies which visit this institute. This was the update from my side, students. So if you like this video, so please share and subscribe.